welcome to my channel. It has been a little while since I made a video, so if you're new here, thanks for stopping in, and if you've been a subscriber for a while, thanks for coming back. Sorry for the mini vacation from YouTube. But here I am with my June design team project for Tsunami Rose, and it's a floral themed journal. The cover is this beautiful fabric. I kept it simple just because I thought the fabric was so pretty, and it goes all the way to the back, and then I have this fringe on the spine. I just thought that matched and looked really cute. A sari silk closure with some eyelets to close. And it's a semi-soft cover, meaning, there's fabric, and then it's a mailing envelope, and then some paper on the inside. So there's still lots that you can do to customize this journal to make it your very own, which I think is kind of fun. All right, so in the cover, there is a library pocket with the Tsunami Rose, one of her library cards. This little quote with some stickers. I used lots of the Tim Holtz wildflower paper just because I thought it went really well with the digital kit. And I'll have the digital kit linked below. Here is a book page pocket with another Tsunami Rose tag and then coffee dyed index card. I'm gonna get that back in there. Snug little fit. And this is from the digital kit. So pretty with the ledger paper and the beautiful flowers in the background, or in the foreground really. Some lace. And here's another pocket with some different cards from Tsunami Rose. And then this is a really cool pocket that's in the kit. I just love this whoop-de-doo. It's very cool. Coffee dyed paper, a flip out envelope with some more Tim Holtz goodies on the inside. I kind of carried her Tsunami Rose's collage kind of thing throughout the journal. These are part of the digital kit, but you'll see as we go. Like right here is a little collage. I just thought that was kind of fun and mimicked her journaling. This fun card with lots of florals on it. Added some lace to a Project Life card. This really fun, beautiful flower. And then I did little tucks like this, and I just thought it would be fun for journaling or just adding a little picture. Just kind of fun. This is a vintage book page, floral. And using the postcard from the digital kit, I made a pocket. There's some book pages so this one has a graph side and then a blank side. Made a little note, little flip thing here with some leftover scrap coffee dyed paper. This is a vintage book page. This beautiful page from the kit. Another piece of floral paper. And see, I just love how she collaged and then had the background. It's so pretty. This is another page from the kit, and I added a floral tag, another card, Tim Holtz paper. Here's the center of the signature. Did some collaging on the back of the card. This floral I thought went really well with the kit as well. More collage. This is the other piece of that vintage paper about gardening. And here's the other paper. More yellow, beautiful flowers. Another one of those pockets. And then this tag. I also have some tracing paper just because I love the texture and the sound. This fun butterfly sticker. More collage. Tim Holtz paper. And then the second signature This was actually in friend mail, and I just loved it. It just kind of reminded me of Garden Gate, and I just thought it was really perfect. She had stamped the images on there. Another flower card. Another pocket made from a postcard. And a large tag with decoupage flowers. And then this time card. I think I'm losing my fabric underneath. This really pretty paper. I think this was some form of stationery paper. And this has a little belly band. You could tuck something in there. Here's another tag with decoupage floral and a button. More paper that I made into the tuck spot. This is a garden book page with a little tuck for a tag. More collage. Lots of room in this journal for memory keeping and journaling. Another tag that I made. Recently, I've been really liking using journals that kind of have some blank space, and then you can go in and add your own bits, but having enough decoration that it kind of gets you started. This is one of her file folders. This is another pocket that I've made with some decoupage paper and some lace with all sorts of fun little floral goodies in there. And then here's the other pocket from the garden page. Just a index card that's been coffee dyed with this cute little paper clip. And the backs of the pages. And this one, the garden one, folds out. I love that. Tim Holtz paper, and there's the back of the journal. So fun. Like I said, lots of room for decorating and memory keeping and journaling. This journal is already listed. Imagine that. I tend to make a video and say that I'm going to list it, and then I never get around to. This time I did the listing first and then made the video. I'm learning. It is listed in my Etsy shop. If you are interested, I will have that link below in the description. And I will also have Tsunami Rose, the digital kit, listed below if you'd like to make your own journal. Thanks again for watching, and have a wonderfully crafty day. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.